guys, and welcome back to the channel. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I want to thank all my new viewers. You guys, I am so excited to introduce you guys to my new fall favorite candle, Apple Sunshine. She has enough apple, she has enough pear, she has some cinnamon, and she has a touch of nutmeg. These candles are all handmade. I cannot wait to share my website with you guys and get back on this business journey because I miss it so much. But let's get into the video, okay? So you guys, I wanted to make a simple, minimal charcuterie board for breakfast for me and babe. Just something cute, something sexy. You know how it goes, sis. So we're gonna be using some Owens regular sausage, 4 eggs, some butter, some salt and pepper, some Eggo waffles. Like, y'all better Lego my Eggo, okay? That's mine right there. That buttermilk waffles, those are mine, okay? But we'll share, okay? But anyways, you guys, I was just setting the camera down because, girl, look, I had to do that there, okay? Anyways, we just trying to get situated, get everything in order because I want y'all to see everything that's going on. This is my first time ever making a charcuterie board, you guys. Like, and I loved it, and I am a fan now. Like, I am totally like a fan of the charcuterie boards. So I'm gonna continue to make them. I'm gonna actually get a white platter, and because I only had this white dish on hand or whatever, and I'm sure you can use the charcuterie boards with anything you have on deck, like the cutting boards, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go in with my handy dandy meat cutting knife because that's all I use it for, is the meats. But I'm gonna go in and cut my sausage. I don't know how you guys cut y'all sausage, but I am cutting my sausage with the wrapper on there because it just makes it look more, you know, presentable. I don't have time to be squishing it and making balls out of it. You just put it, you know, cut it, put it. They look thick, but you gotta squish, you know, you kind of gotta squeeze it out a little bit, and make sure you keep that hole in there because that's what's gonna make your patty continue to be in that same shape. So I'm going to just kind of round it out. I do want to give you guys some, you know, a little tips throughout my cooking journey, my little minimal cooking journey, because there is no minimal recipes out here. So I just want to kind of show you guys what I am learning and what I am doing to, you know, set aside on this whole little minimal journey thing. And I love being minimal, you guys. I'm not saying I'm minimalist. I'm saying I am minimal. Like, I don't want a lot of stuff in my house. I don't want, you know, I want to be minimal in my own way. And so I want to just share with you guys what I did. Now, I did a Walmart delivery, so everything you need to wash off before you start cutting, especially this sausage in this plastic wrapper. Make sure you wash it off really good, the plastic wrapper, before you start cutting down on it. Because, you know, germs lurk, germs are everywhere. So, and constantly wash your hands if you're using meat. If you're not a meat person, use your gloves. That's all I can say is use your gloves. Look, you guys, I love my little scrubbing buddy pads. This is the scrubbing baby, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I thought it was just the cutest scrubbing pad ever. You guys, they are so expensive. I went on Temu, you guys, and I saw some on there for like $1 and something. I want to kind of try those out and give you guys a haul, but it won't be, I think there's going to be a Temu haul coming up, but it won't be in this Temu haul that I have, but minimal haul. But yes, you guys, whenever you're dealing with meat and stuff, I'm sure you guys know, especially if you're adult and you're adulting, I have a family, y'all know to constantly wash anything that meat touches because salmonella is out here, and it's out here real, okay? Salmonella is real, okay? So you don't want to get nobody sick nor yourself sick. So make sure you are washing everything that your meat is touching, from front to back, from side to side. Make sure you do that, you guys. Y'all, I have so much energy, you guys. Look, it's been hot in Dallas. It's been so hot. It's been really hot. Y'all, what is the temp in your neighborhood? Where are you from? Let me know. Questions. But anyways, I have somebody that was from Japan that commented on my last video, and I was really, really stoked, you guys. I was excited, and so where are you from, and what is the heat like, and how are you doing? That's what I want to know. I always want to know how you guys are doing. So I'm just go ahead and flipping these sausages over, you guys. I put them on medium heat so they can brown and not like burn. We love our sausages brown. And then also when you put it on medium, it kind of cook it in the center really quick. Instead of putting it on high, it burns really bad, and the center of your sausage will be like, it'll taste nasty, you guys, and it won't cook quick, okay? But I don't know how you like your meat. I like my meat well done. So to each his own, ain't nobody hating over here. Okay, so let me tell you guys, I do not like the placenta in my egg. I really don't. I don't like that white stuff. I don't. So I pull it out of there, and I have to do this for every egg. Like it's something about it. I just, I love my eggs, but I don't want that in my eggs. Does that make any sense? I don't know if y'all are like that, but anyways, I do it for each one of my eggs, and I'm just going really simple, minimal with the seasoning. I'm trying to like cut down on seasonings, like salt intakes and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to cut down on it. So I'm just going to use this coarse ground black pepper, which it has the salt in there as well, the sea salt. So that's another tip. If you have take half, if you get pepper, take half of it out, put it somewhere in like a mason jar, and put some sea salt in there. Fill it up with sea salt, the rest up with sea salt, however to your liking, and shake it about, shake it up, and you'll have your, sea salt and ground pepper in one little shaker. That's how I kind of like, I was wasting money on salt and pepper and stuff like that. That stuff is going up, so I just kind of learned how to stretch things, especially like going through this minimal whole phase. I start making my own little seasonings. You can see the seasoning. Oh, okay, so it's my Nola seasoning. You guys know I love Louisiana seasonings. I love them to the core. Like, I really do. Like, that's all I use. I love my Louisiana seasonings. And so I decided just to make my own little Nola seasoning. You want the recipe? Girl, I'm not going to give it to you just yet because I'm still testing it out. Still trying it out. I'm still trying to get people to test it out and say, hey, I like that. That's really good. It doesn't have a lot of, salt in it and stuff like that. I want some kind of Louisiana seasoning without all the salt or salt. I said salt. Well, salt. Well, how you say it, girl? Because I'm from Dallas. I'm country, okay? But anyways, you guys, I just mixed all that about. I didn't have any cheese, so I try to stay away from cheese because I'm lactose intolerant. But I still be bad. Like I'm still being bad. I still eat my cheese. I know how to, portion out my cheese into where it doesn't really hurt my stomach bad. So I'm making this charcuterie board. At the bottom of that charcuterie board, I have some aluminum foil just to keep the meat, heated. And then on top, I'm gonna put like some more aluminum foil on top of the meat just to keep it warmed. And then I just kind of put it the way I like, just set it up the way I like. But girl, like this charcuterie board thing, like I've been looking at McKenna Walker, you guys. I know y'all know her. If you say you don't know her, you better get to know her. Go on her channel. McKenna Walker is the minimalist queen, okay? She is the charcuterie board queen, okay? And I just love watching her and getting ideas from her channel. And I was just like, she makes it look so easy and simple. And I always thought like, hey, I cannot do that. But then today I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try it. And guess what? I tried it and I honestly love it. And then also the reason why I like the way, McKenna Walker was doing her charcuterie boards and stuff is just to keep down on, dishes and plates and stuff like that. You guys, I have a table, a whole dining table, but in my apartment, my living room, it just doesn't look right in there. So when I get a bigger place, which I am looking for now, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put my table up and we're gonna have lots of family time, like lots of family time at the table, game night, all that stuff, you guys. I'm just really excited, you know, for a change, and I'm just ready for, you know, God to, you know, show me the way, because he has really been, you know, on my side and blessing me, and I am not messing up my blessings for nobody. I'm sorry, I love God too much to ignore what he has to say and his blessings. You know, people out here, they are, you know, saying, oh, I want this and I want that, but if you're not praying, if you're not manifesting, if you're not into it, if you're just going about and you're just saying a prayer just to say a prayer, you know, God hears you, God sees you. Everything that you do, everything that we do, he sees and hears you. So if you want something, ask him in love, ask him in peace, ask him with positive attitude. Go in your house and, girl, I could tell y'all a lot that I've learned. But anyways, I'm cooking these waffles, and on my waffles, I love a little bit of cinnamon. I'm sorry that the video, my camera just didn't catch it because it was just like blurring out for some reason. And I actually filmed off my camera, you guys. I was so excited to figure out how to work my freaking camera. I had the wrong SD card in there. So now I am back filming off my camera, so y'all won't be getting these ratchet looking, you know, videos, but we still was getting them out there. So I'm on time, you guys. This is my charcuterie board. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm making me some orange juice. The rest of that in the charcuterie board is for Babe. My plate is already made. You guys, this is just so minimal. This is a minimal charcuterie breakfast board. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and turn on all post notifications. Bye. Fish and grits and eggs, you guys. Got the pot going, so can't wait to share it with you guys.